So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-hide ng post sa ating Messenger highlights. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So yan guys, for today's video, i-open lang muna natin ang ating Messenger account or yung ating Messenger app. And then, pagka-open guys, pumunta lang tayo sa highlights ng ating messenger. So, tap nyo lang yung highlights button na nandun sa may low right side. And dito guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-hide ng highlights na makikita nyo dito sa inyong messenger. So, for example guys, is pipili ako dito ng isang story highlights. And then, i-hide natin. So, for example, itong post na to. So, hanapin nyo lang yung three horizontal button na nandito sa may upper right corner ng post. Tap nyo lang. And kung makikita nyo, may magpo-pop up na option. So, nakalagay dyan is hide. Tap nyo lang yung hide. And automatic yan guys. Pag tinap nyo yung hide, mawawala na yung messenger highlights na nakadisplay dito sa inyong messenger. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-hide ng post sa ating messenger highlights. If you have a question, kindly comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.